Вітаем у Беларусі. Мы любім гасцей, асабліва замежных. Іншаземцы маюць не толькі грошы, але і свежы погляд на з'явы, да якіх мы ўжо прызвычаіліся. Павандруем разам. Да нас завітаў амерыканец Боб Эггард. Ён прыехаў у Беларусь па праграме міжнароднага абмену і правёў тут шэраг лекцый і семінараў. Мы заўважылі Боба на карнавале раварыстаў. Файны гарнітурчык падабраў. Адразу відаць, наш чалавек.
Привет. Americano? In the 1980s, during the Cold War, any of the photographs or the news that we saw in America about the Soviet world was always photoed in black and white, and it was always wintertime, and always was people standing in line, usually waiting for bread. So this was my image of what I thought I was coming to. So there's so many restaurants and cafes that are so unique and so interesting, and that's what I think I've really fallen in love with in Minsk, is that it is different than Paris and Rome and Barcelona and other sorts of European cities that all look the same. Спасибо. Oh wow, she already put the sugar in there. Cheers. Yeah. She looks like a woman that I would see in Milan. Cheers. Great. And I love it. I love this more than Starbucks. I would come here every day if I could. A really small, cute neighborhood building owned by the woman who works there. It's very unique and it's very historical. The building is 70 years old. Only in Minsk. Only in Minsk. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Nice. So you speak English?
So.
Good, good, good. It's just impossible for me to think that there could be a bike store, and I don't know how anybody ever finds it. I don't know how we found it.
See you later.
I always ask the teachers where they're from and what places I should visit. And one of the teachers said she was from a place called Dudutki, and I just thought that that was I did not think that that was a real place. I thought she was pulling my leg and making a joke. So I asked her to repeat it, and she said Dudutki, and I said Dudutki? And she said, yeah, Dudutki. And so I had to look it up on the map because I just didn't believe that it was real. I looked on the map, and Dudutki was about 45 kilometers away, and I decided that I would ride my bike to Dudutki.
What kind of map you use?
Google Map. Google Map.
We
Google
have
Map.
App, Maps.me, Belarusian app.
Come on.
Yeah. Belarusian bicycles, you can try it and here.
It's a good bike. It's a very good bike. I didn't know the app existed. I didn't know they were making bikes in Belarus. You know, this Schwinn, this is sort of a old-fashioned American bike.
Yeah.
Schwinn.
We know.
Is this a rental bike?
Mm-hmm.
Can I try it?
Yes,
Okay.
well, but
I think the Belarusian bike is a better bike, but this is a better bike for the trip I need to take. Good morning. Good morning. I feel great. It's a beautiful day to ride. My expectation is there'll be a beautiful road and lots of villages and interesting things to see on the road. Yeah, I just can't wait. I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this for weeks.
Боб закахаўся ў Беларусь 4 месяцы таму, калі трапіў у акадэмічны вялікі тэатр оперы і балету. Тое, што тут адбылося, Бобу ніколі не забыць.
That's a true story.
We were watching the ballet, and in the intermission, Bob took me to we were going to take a picture in front of this beautiful chandelier, and that's when he proposed, and so it was just a very beautiful moment for me.
Боб, хопіть марить. Час вертатися до подорожжя.
It smells like farming used to smell in my country 30 years ago. And it should smell like cow manure. That's exactly what farming should smell like. To me, it smells perfect.
Боб ужо наведваў этнаграфічныя комплексы ў Карэі, ЗША, і ён не надта любіць зробленыя выключна для турыстаў цікавосткі. Але яго чакае сустрэча, якая надасць гэтай вандроўцы незабыўны каларыт. Пакуль Боб круціць педалі, жыхарка вёсцы Дудзічы Ірына Александраўна спяшаецца на працу.
Ваня, иди ешьте. Хватит телевизор глядеть. Цыпани мои, цыпани. Ай да мои красавицы мамины. Цыпы, 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 цыпы.
Шторанак працаўнікоў дудудак збірае службовы аўтобус.
Hello!
Што агульнага паміж беларускай кухаркай і амерыканскім прафесарам? Людзьмі, якія жывуць на розных кантынентах і размаўляюць на розных мовах. Хутка дазнаемся, бо наш Боб ужо ў дудутках.
I wish I could see it working. Wind power. Hundreds of years old. I don't know why we don't have these now. Here's where the flower comes out. Everybody should have one of these. Like, come on. Let's make this thing work. You can hear the wind howling.
У парадах для турыстаў музейны комплекс старажытных рамёстваў дудуткі звычайна ўзгадваюць адным з першых. Тут працуюць майстры, якія любяць распавядаць пра Беларусь. Такія, як чараўніца Таццяна. Яна не толькі вырабляе сувеніры з дрэва і прыгожа малюе, але і бавіць наведвальнікаў музычнымі нумарамі на старажытных інструментах.
Vibrate with your lips. The sound is made with your lips, so try to.
Вибрация на
Like in a
кончике.
flute, like in a trumpet.
Как дети маленькие. Ай-яй-яй. Сложно. Окей, пробуйте. Не получается. О!
Yeah, it's good. Good job.
Для нашага госця дарога была няблізкая. Надышоў час падмацавацца і трохі адпачыць.
The baking the bread regularly, once a week or every few days, that's the same tradition that my grandma and my great-grandma did in Italy, and my mother brought that tradition over to the United States, and It's a wonderful way to enjoy a simple and happy life. So I felt really comfortable in most of the places, but especially the bakery because I can bake bread too, and I make cheese sometimes, and I think that this is the wave of the future. I think it's important for us to appreciate the way that people used to live.
This is local honey flower honey.
Okay.
And you should top it with a pickle.
Okay.
That's what is a bit strange and probably quite exotic. Or some
Honey
people
and
say
pickle.
too. Yes, because they're just two opposite
Yeah,
things.
right. Bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
Wow. Okay. It's smooth.
Right, so it should smell like rye bread. Let's do it. Can you feel bread?
Yeah.
So it means
Smells
that
like
it's
rye.
homemade. Any questions so far?
Can I get some more? Yeah.
Yeah, it feels so
Good.
nice, so
Yeah.
smooth.
Surprisingly good.
Surprisingly good.
Hey. Good. What's next? It's just a long ride, you know? Long ride, long day. Magic vodka. I think the magic vodka has made me sleepy. Excuse me. Привет. Здравствуйте. Do you have any vegetarian?
Это салат свежей капусты. Это маринованная, я ее сама. Холодник, здесь сметана. Если без сметаны, я могу положить.
Okay.
Вы приходите ко мне домой, я вас угощу домашними огурчиками, грибами.
Да?
Да, со своего огорода. И
Спасибо.
будем садить огород сегодня.
Да.
А зараз Боб Позім знайомиться з Іриною Олександровною.
Цыпы какие у нас. Их, смотри. 1,
Yeah.
2,
Two.
3.
3 roosters. 4 roosters.
А вон там.
4 roosters.
Иди сюда.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh my gosh.
Не-не-не.
Yeah, yeah.
Спрытно зловіў. Не здзіўляйцеся, бо наш Боб, як і Ірина Александровна, вельмі любіць курэй.
О, наш урожай.
Great.
Курки.
Four chickens.
Только 3.
Oh, all hens, no rooster, no cockerel. 4 hens, 4 hens, 4 eggs. So I got the chickens. I did not know that a chicken made an egg every day.
О,
I got the chickens because I wanted the fertilizer for my tomatoes. I didn't want the eggs.
ясно.
What do you do with all your eggs?
Жарю омлет.
Omelette,
В блины.
bellini.
Блинчики с творогом, значит, для крепости надо,
You
чтоб
eat all the
яйцо.
eggs.
Рулеты. Можно все делать с яиц. Салаты. А ты сырое яйцо пробовал пить?
Yes, I have drank raw eggs.
Муж пьет каждое утро. Сырые яйца поднимают потенцию. Повышают. И как там правильно сказать?
Good, great.
Yeah,
63 years old. 63 years old. Why not? Congratulations. Wow.
красота. Я вижу человека, с ним можно заговорить или нету. Он добрый или злой. Ну, американец, конечно, он сразу расположил, улыбается, глаза добрые. А глаза очень много могут сказать о человеке. Хочешь знать,
Oh
полезь,
my
я ему
gosh.
помогу. Ну, тут закатки.
Wow.
Так, вот тут. Картошка.
Okay.
И тут.
Oh my gosh. Cool. Great. It's awesome. Usually I'm a vegetarian. Yeah, she knows that because she served me the salad. Yeah, I don't eat meat. So when I go to somebody's house and she offers me some homemade meat and it's sort of part of the culture, I feel like it's the least I can do to try it. It's good. We don't eat this in America. I can only eat this in Belarus. We don't eat that like that. Okay, pickle juice. This house and the way she lives is like a folk museum. It's as much of a folk museum as Dudutki. This is a living folk museum.
Скажи, вот ты бы жил в этом месте? Согласен ли ты вот жить? Без удобств.
Yeah, absolutely.
Согласен.
This is like my dream, to live in a place like this. With a small house, chickens, a garden, and do the banya, jump in the river.
Боб, веничек, так веничком
Yeah.
тебе в парилке. О, эквалипчика в парилку или чего-нибудь такого. Ух, дубовый веничек. Можно из крапивы сушеной.
I'll come back. Come back in the fall and check out the tomatoes.
Дудичи, правильно.
Yeah, right there. That's where you live.
О, всё.
I know where you live.
Да.
Добрий ти мужик, Боб, сподобався нам. Трэба развітвацца, але мы ўпэўненыя, ты яшчэ да нас вернешся. Будзем чакаць. Welcome у Беларусь.